Hello guys, it's November 27th. We're going to be preparing a turkey. We're going to open her up to, or him, whatever this was. We're going to check it, trying to see if there's anything in there. We're going to take that out. Jose is used to always cooking barbecues and fried fish and all this other good stuff. So today he's going to help me prepare all this, because usually I do all this, but Jose is going to do this too because he loves the kitchen just as much as I do. So we're making slits on it. So once we get our seasonings fully in there, we have some cheesecloth. We're going to put that with a bunch of butter. And then we're going to cover our turkey. We're going to put some garlic in it to give it a good flavor, guys. We really enjoy turkey. It's a big turkey. Look at that. Look at the butt on that one. Yeah, we're gonna put a lot of seasoning on it, so this way it can taste good, guys. Nice and buttery. See, we put the cheesecloth over it because it's gonna give it that nice crispy texture on the top, and in the middle it's gonna be nice and moist. And so it's nothing like a moist turkey, guys. Don't want it dry.
Para que el fire penetre bien la calor.
Yes, that's why he's doing it, so it can penetrate in there very good. As you can see, he's making little slits in it. Everyone prepares their turkey different. So this is the way we like to do it. And like, this is Jose's thing. He loves cooking just as much as I do. So we're going to get this cheesecloth. We're going to get this garlic. We're going to put it all in here, guys. There it is. See? Let's prepare it. Let's get it going, guys. Now we're going to put some garlic in it, guys, so we can get a nice flavor in there. We're going to put some roasted garlic and herbs. We like to do that. So he's going to stuff this turkey, guys, with some garlic. Let's put some garlic in there. Oh, yeah. Nice and tasty, guys. We like all kinds of seasonings in here. We're gonna put some butter in it. We're gonna put butter inside of it so it can get nice and moist. So we really like using butter. Turkeys are really good with butter, guys. They taste better. They give it a nice flavor. And then with all those herbs, those garlic, it has everything in there that we like. So we're gonna butter this bird up. So yeah, that's good. Now we're gonna get our injector. We're gonna inject it. Here we go. We're using some injectable roasted garlic herb, guys. Here we go. Let's inject this bird.
Bueno, aquí tengo dos.
We have two of them. So we're gonna inject this one pretty good. So let's inject her. Here we go. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, a little bit too fast. We got a little bit too excited there. There we go. Inject her. Gotta get it all in there, guys. Let's get her all injected. This gives it good flavoring. It's a good taste. Has a little bit of that Louisiana taste to it. Yeah, we like herbing our stuff up. We like a lot of seasoning. We like a lot of flavor. We're gonna inject it completely. See, it's nice. We have plenty to put in her. She's gonna have so much flavoring. All these spices and herbs, you can just smell it, guys. It smells delicious. Can't wait for it to start cooking slowly in the oven. We're gonna roast it. We're gonna enjoy a good meal. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If y'all like this video, go subscribe, go like and comment. Arnito got a little bit too happy injecting it in there.
Estoy emocionado.
Yeah, we're emotional here injecting this bird. We're like, oh my goodness, she's just leaking everywhere.
Quiero que sepa rico.
Want it to taste good, guys. Gotta get it nice and buttered up. There's nothing like some butter. We're using this one. Yeah, it's gonna get some good taste, some good flavor.
Hasta adentro.
No, all the way inside, guys. Push it in there, inject it in there. Don't be shy. Add herbs, add spice. It gives it some nice flavor. That's good right there. Now he's gonna put the cheesecloths with the butter. All right, guys. here's our butter we're gonna be using. We're gonna cover this cheesecloth with the butter. He's gonna put it on there. Gotta give it nice and soaked. That's nice. Yeah, it's nice and warm. So we're gonna put that on our bird. Here we go, guys. See, I told you guys, we use butter. Ooh, it's kind of steamy, so we're gonna have to be careful. He's gonna have to spread it all around. Gotta open it up.
Y hay que tenerlo como una cobija.
Yeah, I gotta put it like a blanket on it.
Bien envueltito.
Yeah, so it can cover the bird.
Tapamos la alita.
Here we go, guys.
Blessing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys, for being on here with us and spending time with us as we do this turkey for Thanksgiving. This is for our family. This is for us. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. If you like this video, go subscribe. Go comment. We love to hear from you guys. And we're just cooking and we're getting everything ready for tomorrow. We're buttering it up. We're spreading the cheesecloth open.
Mira.
It takes work, guys.
Como una cobija,
You have to really blanket it on there. But that's what gives it a nice crispy brown flavor on the outside. So this is what we're doing. Nice and buttery. Here we go, guys.
Todo, ¿no?
Yeah, put it.
Woo!
There we go, guys. See, look at that.
Ahí voy con el plástico.
We're gonna cover it up with foil. This is in foil. We're gonna seal it in there. And then after we have this cooking for a couple hours, then we're gonna open it up. We're gonna baste it. As always, that's how it is in cooking a turkey. We sure do like our turkeys nice and crispy and brown on the outside and nice and moist in the middle. So y'all keep watching. We're gonna keep preparing, and we have our ham we're gonna do next. And then we made some upside down pineapple cake. So I kind of messed up on it, guys. It was a little bit too hot. Got an apple pie, and then got some pecan pie down there too. So it was a little bit too hot. Turned it over too soon. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put our turkey in the oven. It's gonna be nice in there. There we go. Let's get this ham ready. We're gonna inject it here in a minute. He's gonna cut it up, slice it a little bit, so we can put some herbs inside of it. This is our ham we got. Not too big. It's a nice, decent size, guys.
A media no.
Yeah, it's just heavy.
Está pesado, sí.
Ham is heavy.
Me están dando el cuchillo casi todo,
Yeah.
Mira.
He's putting a knife in there. We're gonna put some seasoning in it. We're gonna put some garlic and some herbs on it so it can taste good. It'll taste good. We'll fix it. We'll cut it whenever we get ready to eat later on tomorrow. So welcome, guys. This is our Thanksgiving stuff. We're getting ready. Jose's always cooking some fried fish and doing all kinds of barbecues and stuff like that. So he's gonna go get the foil. Hey, go get the foil. Go get this in the middle. Agarra eso. We're gonna get that over there first because once we inject it, it's gonna be
Gracias,
everywhere.
mi gente. Voy a inyectarlo ahorita, este jamón.
We're gonna inject it.
Ya metí el pavo. Y veo con el jamón. Mira qué rico lo que hicimos aquí.
We made some upside down
Sabroso,
pineapple
mira.
cake. We made some pumpkin pies. So we got some other pies too that we have apple pie and pecan pie. Tomorrow we'll make some fruit salad and we'll do some other stuff tomorrow. Right now we're just doing all our pre-stuff, you know? So where we go, guys, we're gonna inject this with some garlic and some roasted herbs. So we can get some flavoring in there. We just do this. We like doing this. This is our way. Everyone has their own traditions. Thanksgiving is a time for feasting and being with family. It's a nice time just to eat and be around everybody and enjoy each other's company. So we're injecting our ham with some garlic herbs, some butter. You know, butter makes a difference for everything, doesn't it, guys? It just does wonders. So if y'all like this video, guys, go subscribe, guys. We enjoy talking to you guys, and we're showing y'all bits and pieces of what we do.
Nos gusta cocinar en los ríos.
Yeah, Jose loves cooking in rivers and lakes and outside and barbecuing and grilling out and everything, and likes making all kinds of stuff. I usually do all this. We have our own traditions. We're creating new traditions always, every day. It's a new thing. Oh no, there he goes. So welcome to a live, not welcome to another video, guys.
Le voy a hacer este toque, mire, que se caiga. Oh my gosh, mire, qué delicia. Así no.
Yeah.
Ahí va.
I gotta put some foil on it here in a minute. That's good. Just put the, ya, nomás échale los restos de eso ya.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Cubrirlo, ya.
Ah, mire. Tamaño, no, es que está grandote también, no crees.
Yeah, it's big. We're trying to be careful not to cut the foil, so.
Ahí.
Yeah.
Ahora sí. Mire.
We're gonna cover it up, guys, in a minute. We want to inject it right here. Some nice flavoring. It's always good to use butter and garlic.
Voy a echar otra. Lo estamos inyectando. Damos gracias a Dios por un día más de vida, salud. Bendiciones a todos, amigos. Espero que la familia esté bien. Vivir al máximo y un día a la vez. Ahí está. Ahora voy a envolverlo.
We're gonna put our ham in. We gotta make it fit as we can, guys. Tomorrow we'll prepare everything else.
Oh.
We're gonna.
Uy.
He wants to pick that cake, guys. Yeah, he's gonna eat it. I think we made some pumpkin pies. So tomorrow we're gonna do the rest of the stuff, guys. We have pecan pie, we have some apple pie, some pumpkin pie. Now tomorrow we're gonna wait. We're gonna do everything else. Thank you, guys.
Oh. Este es el próximo pavo que está arriba.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. This is the second day, and we've already prepared there's our turkey. Look how it came out. It came out really good, guys. See that glaze on it? Then we made our ham. We did our ham. Very, very hot, hot, hot. We did some stuffing over here. There's our cranberry. We have our rolls. And then we made some green bean casserole. We made some mac and cheese. There's our pumpkin pies, our pecan, our apple pie. Here's all our food. And then there's our stuffing right there. And then we also made some mashed potatoes. We made some gravy. There's our biscuits. We made a lot of fixings today, so that way the family could eat. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying y'all's Thanksgiving like we are. There's our pecan pies, our pumpkin, our apple pie.
¿Qué hay aquí? Mire.
This is mashed potatoes. We did some gravy. We did some more green beans. So people really like that. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope y'all have had an incredible day. If y'all like this video, go comment and go like if you like it, guys. Thank you for being with us, and I hope you like this meal that we prepared. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Thank you so much. Blessing, blessing. Bendiciones. Gracias por comentar. Gracias por el apoyo. Hasta la próxima. Oh, mire. Oh. Uy. Cómo se deshace, mire. Oh.
Yeah, look at that. We cooked it nice and moist, guys. So it's a really good looking turkey. Can't wait to cut into it. Let's look at it. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Ish.
Look at the
Ahí está
inside
el
of
ajo,
it.
El
There's the
ajo.
garlic in there. Ooh,
Todo.
there's the garlic.
Ajá.
Nice looking turkey.
Ajá.
Look at the meat.
Quedó bien.
Very well done. Juicy, huh?
Ajá.
Bien moist. It's a moist turkey.
Ajá.
Look at that.
Uf.
It's gonna be good, guys. We're not hungry just yet, so we're gonna eat here in a little bit.
Y mira la otra pierna.
So we've been cooking. Look at the other turkey leg.
Ajá.
Nice. It's a nice turkey. So much herbs. We like it.